Entertainment has been categorized in Uganda among the least income generating activities. Despite the various ways of earning in the industry, Uganda is still locked to the fewest ways of earning. They always earn little, or even sometimes they earn nothing at all. Hence, they got locked at the vicious circle of poverty. Slim Joe is my name, and you are watching me live from Octopus Garden, one of the off-road stop garden along Gulu-Juba Highway, opposite OK Petrol Station, 1 kilometer away from Lacho Hospital. With me here, I have the president of We Are Group of Company. You're most welcome. And you can greet the viewers as well as introduce yourself.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator. I am Paul Kinyera James Banya, the president of We Are Group of Company.
Oh, so you are the president of We Are Group of Company.
Yeah, I'm the
It
president.
is still a new word into my ear. I don't know where I heard it from, but I know you're here to tell us. Can you please tell us what We Are Group really means?
Yeah, thank you once again. We Are Group of Company is an entertainment group of company. They deal in as distribution and promotion of entertainment products. Yeah, it was established way back in 2018. Yes.
So it was established in 2018.
Yeah.
With what mission or vision was it established?
Yeah, thank you. They were established with a vision of inventing new ways and improving on the existing ways of earning in the entertainment industry.
Okay.
At large, yeah, as I can say.
Creating a new way
Yeah.
or improving on the existing ways. So how are you going to improve on the existing ways of earning in the industry?
Yeah, Mr. Moderator, as we all know that at the end of the year we have award for the entertainment industry within Gulu here, which is mostly basically look at the top entertainers living out there, those one who are upcoming. In some cases, even though they are coming are also involved in the award, but not everyone can vote for the entertainers. But I am coming with an idea that even my grandma from the village can vote for these people as long as he can access the internet. Since we are creating a website for the We Are Group of Company, where we shall be advertising for these people and their post and the entertainment pieces, if I can say, or product,
Yes,
so they can vote via
So
internet.
you mean to say your grandma is a lover of entertainers? Eh?
Sis, yeah, sis.
Oh, that's really amazing. So
Yeah.
you're creating a platform whereby she can access the internet from the village there
Yeah.
and vote for their entertainers.
I'm citing
That-
the example of grandma, but I'm
Wow.
not willing
No,
that
I'm
my
not-
grandma.
I'm also not
I
saying
said
that.
even my grandma can vote.
I'm
Because-
also not saying that. I'm just trying to recap your words. It
Okay.
is okay, but now it is really amazing because I see that there's a lot in there. So how do you think you're going to achieve those programs?
Yeah, we are a group of company are already in the process of, let me say not in the process, we have already developed a website.
Yes.
They are already in place where everyone, in a few days of launching We Are Group of Company officially, we also going to launch the website. So the website will be basically to promote the entertainment products, whether it being poetry, whether it being drama, whether it being comedy, whether it being music, whether it being storytelling. All those we are going to promote. Okay? So that is the way we are going to achieve our dreams.
So before we come to the end of our program, can you please tell the viewers one or two words before you leave us?
Yeah, I am here today presenting We Are Group of Company. I am very happy for hosting me once again before leaving. I would love to tell the viewers that the We Are Group of Company is an entertainment group of company where we deal in the promotion. We promote you, the artist who is out there. You know that we are a group of companies already existing within Gulu City. We are ready to promote you. We are ready to distribute your entertainment piece like music, dance, drama, comedy, and so forth. So I am requesting the people countrywide or worldwide to like our page on the Facebook. It is written Wiha. On the Instagram, you can, the Telegram, you can join the page. On WhatsApp, you can also join the page if you are willing. So that is what I can